Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 2,57,521 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 33.48 lakhs. As of yesterday, 18.29 crores Indian got vaccinated. Now, almost 50% of the cases are found from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, and West Bengal. As per one government study, less than 1 person is found floating per 10 lakhs person vaccinated with Covishield vaccine. Dr. Reddy Lab collaborates with Apollo Hospital and start giving Sputnik vaccine to people in Hyderabad. And now they will also take this drive to Visakhapatnam. Cyclone rages past Maharashtra, destroys homes, uproots trees and electricity poles on way to Gujarat. Cyclone makes landfall, rain and wind batters coastal Gujarat also. India on Monday dropped convalescent plasma therapy, that is CPT, from its National Clinical Management Protocol for COVID-19 patient since it offers no benefit in patient admitted in the hospital. This therapy uses plasma blood from the patient who recovered from COVID-19 to help others recover faster. As per Reserve Bank of India, the impact of second wave of COVID on real economy seems to be limited so far in comparison with the first wave. Wholesale price index, that is WPI, surged all-time high to 10.49% in April due to low base effect and rising food and commodity prices, while retail inflation rate was at 4.29%, which is within the control. New foreign direct investment reached all-time high of $43.36 billions in the year ending 2021. Yesterday, Indian stock market stopped its decline and started rising, and BSE Sensex closed 1.74% or 848 points above the previous day closed and closed at 49,580. This is due to the reduction in the overall corona cases all over India. Due to lockdown in various states, the unemployment rate surged to 14.45% during the week ending May 16. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, will import 1 lakh oxygen concentrator on behalf of Government of India. Dollar continued incline and $1 was equal to 73.22 rupees. Federal Bank announced net profit of 477.81 crores during the last quarter of 2021. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.